guys, hope you're safe and well. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about all the products which according to me are the best to create a beautiful flawless dewy base. These are some of the products which I've tried and tested and used extensively in a lot of my tutorials and in my personal life as well. On my Instagram handle and here on YouTube, I do get questions from people where they ask for recommendations for products for a good dewy base. And I just thought that I'll make a comprehensive list and make a video on it. And yeah, that's what this video is about. As always, the links of the products which I'll be talking about will be mentioned in the description box below, so do check it out. And now without further ado, let's begin with the first product. Starting off with the primers, I've got two primers to show you. The first one is Maybelline Fit Me Dewy+Smooth Primer. This is one of the newer products which I've tried out. Like, it's just been a little over a month since I started using this, but it does hydrate the skin really well. Plus, after you apply it and blend it on your skin looks dewy, there's a healthy glow on the skin, and it provides a really good base for your makeup as well. Now, I just want to clarify that this is not a pore filling primer. It just adds a lot of hydration to the skin and gives that nice dewy glow to the skin. If at all you want to use this and you've got large open pores, then you can apply a pore filling primer on your T-zone, and on the rest of your skin you can use this one. Really like this product for a nice dewy base. The next product is e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. This product is kind of an all-rounder. It is pore filling, it does provide a really smooth, nice base, and plus it adds a lot of shine to your skin. In simple terms, it is a very nice creamy pore filling primer which is mixed with a finely milled highlighter. It gives a nice golden sheen to the skin. You can use it without makeup as well. I really like this product, guys. After applying this product, whenever I apply any foundation, even if it's a matte foundation, it looks very healthy and luminous and nice. The next product is M.A.C Strobe Cream. This product is the OG cult favorite product of a lot of people all over the world, and it definitely deserves all the hype that it gets, guys, because it is brilliant. You know, I have tried to find cheaper alternatives of this product, but there's nothing which comes even close to how good this product is. You can mix it in your foundation to add luminosity to your foundation. You can mix it with your moisturizer and apply it all over your skin. It will give your skin the most amazing and smooth glow. Apart from giving this very nice, beautiful, luminous glow to the skin, it is going to hydrate and calm your skin down. It is definitely one of the best products to use for a dewy base and just for a dewy skin, even without makeup. Now let's talk about foundations, and this is a tricky bit for me. I'm going to show you three foundations, two from the drugstore category and one from high-end category, and I'm going to explain to you along the way how they work for a dewy base, okay? The first one is Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Now, out of all the high-end foundations which I have used, according to me, this is the only foundation which retains its luminosity and the dewy factor even after you set it with a matte setting powder. I'm pretty sure you know what I'm talking about. Even if the foundation is hydrating or claims to be dewy, most of the foundations, they turn completely matte as soon as you apply your setting powder on top of them. But it does not happen with this one. Even after setting it with a matte powder, it still looks very satiny and healthy and dewy on the skin. Now, the other two foundations which I'm going to show you are from the drugstore category. I won't call them dewy foundations because they do turn matte as soon as you apply a setting powder, but I'll tell you how I make them work for a dewy base. So this is K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation, and this is Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. I love these foundations for my dry skin. Like, these are great dry skin foundations. They feel so comfortable on the skin, and even after you set it with a matte powder, they don't look too dry on the skin. Your base won't look dewy, but it won't even look dry. So overall, I like the formula of these foundations. How I make these foundations work for a dewy base is by using a different kind of a setting powder. Which brings me to my next product, the setting powder, which I love for a nice dewy base. The dewy setting powder which I really like is from e.l.f. It's Halo Glow Setting Powder. This powder can actually make any foundation dewy. I use this powder with solid matte foundations as well, and they end up looking dewy and nice and healthy on my skin. Now in the next clip, I'm going to show you a little comparison between Maybelline Fit Me powder and e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. Just letting you know in advance that in the next clip, I have used a Strobe Cream along with K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation. Now let's watch the comparison. On this side, I've not set the foundation yet, and on the other side, I set it with Maybelline Fit Me powder, which turned the foundation completely matte. Now I'm going to use e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder, and I'm going to apply it on the side which was not set. You can see that e.l.f. powder did manage to maintain a bit of luminosity on the skin, whereas Fit Me powder looks completely matte. I hope you were able to make out the difference properly, guys. Maybelline Fit Me as well is a great setting powder. It gives a beautiful coverage and just overall it's a brilliant product, but it does give a matte finish. For a dewy base, I would highly recommend e.l.f. Halo Glow powder. It does not give a lot of coverage though, but it does give a beautiful dewy finish. Last and final product which plays a very important role for a beautiful dewy finish is the setting spray that you use after finishing your makeup. There are two setting sprays which I'm going to show you guys. The first one is M.A.C Magic Radiance, and the second one is the one which I use the most in most of my tutorials, NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. M.A.C Cosmetics Fix Plus Magic Radiance gives an almost glossy finish, like it gives a very glass-like finish to your makeup. This is my favorite setting spray to use, especially for heavy makeup, like makeup for weddings or makeup for festivals. It makes your skin glow and shine like nothing else. It's a great product, but at the same time, it's not an everyday product. Like if you're looking for an everyday kind of a dewy look, which is not too glossy or which does not stand out, then you should go for this one. The finish which this setting spray gives is not too over the top or glossy. It's subtle, but at the same time, it's beautiful. For most of the simple makeup looks that I do, I prefer using NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray than Magic Radiance, because you know the difference is quite a bit. This is very subtle and this is over the top glossy luminous. I love these two setting sprays a lot, guys. This is my special occasion setting spray and this is my regular everyday kind of makeup setting spray. And that's it, guys. With that, we've finally come to an end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you're not following me on Instagram, then maybe you can follow me on Instagram. I post video updates and some makeup related content here and there on my Instagram handle. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, then please subscribe to our channels. We've got this channel where I post beauty content, and we've got another channel where we post daily vlogs. I'm going to leave the links in the pinned comment or the comment section below. Do check them out. If you do like our content, then don't forget to follow and subscribe. That's it from me for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe and take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Mwah.